In this video, I'll show you how to swap from Ethereum to Tron using the depouch cross-chain DEX with MetaMask. So first thing you want to do is head on over to the depouch.com domain, make sure you're on the right website, then go ahead and press swap now, swap up here. Then go ahead and press connect wallet, choose Ethereum and choose MetaMask. Then go ahead and search for Ethereum, it's right here, so I'll just press it. And then search for Tron. We could also just scroll down here and find it down here. Paste in our Tron destination address and then input an amount of Ethereum we want to swap. So I'll just input like that. Let's see how much that is. That's $8. I want to swap around $5. Let's just take off a bit. That's still too much. That's still too much. There we go. That's around $5, so all looks good. So I go ahead and press swap. And we can see a breakdown here of the swap. A bit of a high slippage, but that's because we're only swapping around $5 and there's an outbound fee of 58 cents, but it's okay. This is just a demonstration video. Then go ahead and press confirm swap. And then we recommend setting a high swap fee to ensure a smooth swap. So let's go ahead and set a higher fee to aggressive here and press confirm. So there we go. The Ethereum has been sent. Close that. It's submitting the transaction. So now we just have to wait a little bit for that to get broadcasted to the network and get on chain. So there we go. Transaction has been submitted and we can see our transaction list has updated and that it's swapping down here. So we're swapping from Ethereum to Tron. So now we just wait a few seconds for this swap to be completed. Okay, now we can see that the trade has been completed. Now that took quite a long time for some reason, I don't know, but it's okay because we could see down here in our transaction list that it was swapping all the way through. But now we have swapped our Ethereum to Tron, so let's go ahead and check our Tron address. And indeed, we can see that we have received, go to transactions. You can see here that we have received the 14 Tron and that corresponds to the amount that we were supposed to receive. So that's it. That's how you swap from Ethereum to Tron using MetaMask. So yeah, thanks for watching this video on how to trade on depouch cross-chain DEX.